Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be unboxing another Nike shoes. So this is Nike Crater Impact. So I have uploaded a video, the Nike Crater Impact Summit White Gray Fog. If you have not checked that video, please do so. So this one I bought myself a new, still Nike Crater Impact, but where is that one? But I bought the Summit White Black Green Glow. So let's open together and let us see. Yeah. So this is Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. And this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by waste, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. Good job. So let's open. This is really a very beautiful shoes. So I bought this in Zalando.no for 1,045 crowns. In Zalando.no, they have 4 different colors. So I already have the Summit White Gray Fog. This color is Summit White /black /green glow /sunset pulse /barely bolt. You can see upon opening this box, the shoes is not packed together with the thin paper that always comes together with the new shoes. So I think this is it's pretty obvious that it's part of Nike campaign to reduce waste. So I think Nike deserve an applause for that.